In computer data storage, volume or logical drive is a distinctly addressable storage area with a single file system. Storage can be designed and configured in many different and complex ways, yet all include the volume concept. General purpose mass storage device is typically divided into partitions, with each partition used as a volume with its own file system. A more specialized mass storage device may be configured for redundancy, where a volume spans multiple storage media or physical drives. A smaller storage such as a volume, a memory card, or floppy disk might have only one partition or no partition at all. No partition table such that the volume is logically indistinguishable from the drive. A simple volume describes the most basic configuration, a volume or one storage medium with no redundancy or strapping. The following table describes an example storage configuration for a Windows system with two physical drives, where the first drive has two partitions and the second has only one. Each partition is treated as a volume with its own file system. The drive letters C:, D:, and E:, each identify a volume, aka logical drive. Physical drive, partition, file system type, drive letter. An operating system can potentially recognize the partition without recognizing the volume associated with it. As when a partition has not been formatted for a file system or is using a file system that OS does not support. This occurs, for example, when Windows encounters a non-native partition, such as the X4 file system commonly used with Linux. A volume can be packed in a single file. Examples include the ISO 9660, disk image, a CD-DVD image commonly called ISO, and the installer volume for macOS 10, Apple disk image, as these volumes are files in a host volume. They are not partitions. The concept of volume applies to any type of storage medium, but for historical reasons the term disk is often used even for non-disk media. For example, the Windows Disk Management utility supports any type of medium. Operating system support. Although the concept of volume is relatively consistent throughout computing contexts, there are significant differences in implementation and user experience between major categories of operating systems. Microsoft systems and Windows, volumes are handled by the kernel. Volumes are mount points and configured by the user via the disk management utility or the diskpart command. Unlike in the Unix-like system, Microsoft systems do not have a single root directory. The system assigns at least one path to each mounted volume, either drive letter shown as a letter followed by a colon, such as F:, or mount point on an NTFS volume having a drive letter, such as C:, music. In this case, the file track.mp3 is stored in the root directory of the mounted to which volume could be referred to via paths F:, track1.1.mp3 or C:, /music, /track1.mp3 respectively. In order to assign a mount point for volume as a path within another volume, the following criteria must be met. The mounted to volume must be formatted NTFS. A directory must exist at the root path. As of Windows Vista, it can be any subdirectory in a volume. That directory must be empty. By default, Windows assigns drive letters to all drives. It reserves A:, B:, for floppy disk drives, and whether present or not, it uses C:, and subsequent letters for all other drives.